Miniature full motion shelf assembly video parts are as follows. Initial step: assemble the four corners of the shelf first. Use long square tubes. In the slant of the, and this sloping square tube is connected to the joined together with square tubing like this. With such gold-plated parts, just put a screw through it to hold it in place and you're good to go. There are two holes in it. Take a galvanized piece, second hole aligned with this hole in this plated core piece. Screw. Just lock it with a nut. Also on this side there are two screws to hold it in place. The outer one goes through and is assembled as the video shows. 4-bar support frame. 2 connecting bracket. First we'll take a brace, fasten, underneath this shelf. Screw on this connector, then just secure it with a nut like this. It's the same way with the braces. This is what it looks like with the brace in place. 3-step shelf connection tube installation. Take a square tube and use one. Take a core piece, screw it through. This is what it looks like when the connecting pipes and galvanized parts are installed. And then step 4, once it's in place, we use another screw. Secure. Just fix it in the hole of this rack. The center support bracket is just fixed like this and you're done. The final step of installing the diagonal braces. Screw it to the top of this shelf first. Then take this diagonal brace, just hang it on this screw hole.